Joining us at Post 9 is Ankur Crawford, portfolio manager at Alger. Her firm has $22 billion in assets under management. Welcome, Ankur. So you have Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, Alphabet. These are all your top holdings. Where are we in this mega cycle related to AI as it relates to the stock price performance?
Yeah, I think we're very early on. And that is reflected in terms of the stock price performance. The stocks have moved a lot, especially as you look at them over the last 2 years, maybe a year and a half. However, I think what people keep forgetting is that the stocks have moved in coincidentally with the numbers moving up. So I just looked this up this morning. In January of 23, the 24 estimates for Nvidia were $4 on the street. Today, they're $21 or $22 with whispers, like UBS just put out a number for 28. That's a 7-fold increase in the earnings for an Nvidia. And that is what happens when you're so early on in a cycle, which drives not only the performance of the stock, but the performance of the earnings, but also the multiple.
And that sort of gets around one of the central questions around Nvidia, which is at what point do earnings level off or revert to a trend? How many quarters away are we from that, and how can we possibly tell?
That's the $1.5 trillion question. And it's difficult to know, in part because this AI world it's just burgeoning. We are just starting. I mean, baseball analogy, we are in the locker room still. We haven't even started the game. And so we are so early on in AI that it's unclear as to where it tops, if you believe Lisa Su. Lisa Su has said that $400 billion TAM for all accelerated compute in 2027. That might be $300 billion, but that's threefold bigger than it is today.
There's been a budding conversation this week about the potential for deflation in GPUs, right? The way we sort of saw with bandwidth constraints in the early 2000s. And I wonder if that's forced you to take a second look at your model over the long term. Not that it's going to happen anytime soon, but technology tends to invite competition, which tends to invite price declines.
For sure. Look, I think if you look at the compute, the history of compute is that you get more for less in terms of price per performance. And so you get more compute capability and you pay less for it on a per compute basis. And that's what we're going to see. So, I don't expect to see a lot of deflation in the pricing because, for example, B100, which is the next version of the Nvidia chip, is going to come out sometime in the second half of this year. Highly likely it will be priced at a 50% increase to the H100, which is their current generation chip, in part because it's offering something that is 2x the performance. So, long term, could there be different workloads that go onto ASICs that are cheaper? Sure. And the market is not going to be a winner takes all. But it could be a market where winner takes a majority.
Right.